Turn me up. Yeah. Turn me up. Hey. Yeah. What they do. TJ Too Smooth, Trey Jawan. Hit that like button. It helps the channel grow. Subscribe to the channel. And it's TJ Too Smooth, Trey Jawan. Yeah, sure. Next. I'm next like, yeah. Rolling in a Cadillac, bitch, call me like daddy. Bitch, I'm smooth like cat daddy. Yeah. Trey Jawan. Yeah. What they do? Y'all, it's your boy TJ Too Smooth, Trey Jawan, man. We here in the tattoo shop, Aces High, West Palm Beach. Man, this shop is legendary. It's been here for a long time. And honestly, man, this is where I got my first ink ever. It was right here in this tattoo shop. My guy Phil Carlucci, y'all follow him here. He does these dope ass paintings like this, and then dope shit like this. That lettering, legendary. He did that. That's been sticking out of my mind for the last 10 years. So now I'm here, about to get inked up by the man himself. Right now it's just, the consultation, and then, next week Sunday, I'll be getting inked up. And there's Phil, Mr. Carlucci himself. Y'all follow him right here. He's the man, y'all. So y'all gonna see how this turns out. Oh, okay. You shaved the mustache, but now you got the beard coming in now.
No, I got the
Full beard.
yeah.
Yeah. But anyway, all right, man. So next Sunday, we got me locked in, 1 p.m. It's lit.
One eternity later.
It's pissing my mouth, all on my bed, on my face. We don't acknowledge the hate. Got enough shit on my plate, but fuck it though, give me some more, cause I'm trying to be great. One-on-one, I'll take you. One-on-one, they don't make two. Man, what they do? Bro, it's your boy TJ Too Smooth, Trey Jawan. Turn this AC on cause it's hot. Y'all probably like, dang, why is this nigga shaving his arm? Well, you see the title, you see the thumbnail. Shaving because all of this right here is getting inked up, man. I'm inking this up. Shout out to my guy, Phil Carlucci over at Aces High. That's who's gonna handle this tattoo. I have faith in him. I think he's gonna do well. I've seen work that he's done in the past. He actually did 3 of my homeboys' back tattoos in high school. All 3 of them got Danger on their back because their last name is Dangerfield. One of them actually went to the NFL. Shout out to Jordan Dangerfield. But his back, they all say Danger, and he has like this special way to like make his letters. It's like there's a bend in it and then like a hook to all of his letters. So, I'm about to go now over to the shop and get fucking blasted, y'all. All of this right here, it's gonna be inked up. Can't wait. TJ Too Smooth. See y'all in a minute. Tattoos, told her come through and make moves, yeah. Ooh, yeah. All my dogs making moves, yeah. Stepping new Jimmy Choos, yeah. Look at you like what it do. Ooh, one-on-one, I take you. One-on-one, they don't make two. Pretty bitch, 2 tattoos. Told her come through and make moves, yeah. Ooh, yeah. All my dogs making moves, yeah. Stepping new Jimmy Choos, yeah. Look at you like what it do, ay. For a 2 o'clock appointment. So what is it? It looks like a tentacle or something. Oh shit. Spider Woman?
It's a lot of things.
Okay.
It's like an arachnid inspired like biomechanical design with like just different portraits.
Nice.
Meaning very different things. Torment.
Torment,
like a
sadness,
succubus kind of thing.
Yeah.
So.
Damn, no telling what women did to that guy.
Yeah, it's actually a chick. Halloween, spooky.
Spooky, yeah. Kind of like multiple ideas in one type thing.
Yeah.
Very cool, man. Very cool. Yeah, man, Phil about to get the kid together. Just grabbing some water out the car. Ace is high, baby. West Palm. I'm excited. I ain't gonna lie, I'm fucking nervous, bro. I'm nervous. Listen, that tiger looks crazy, though. That tiger looks crazy. It's pretty much everything that I thought it would be. And it's big as hell, too, bro. That shit is big. My whole forearm is gonna be blasted. Look at the Black Panther, baby. That thing is dirty as fuck. I need to wash it real bad. Talk to me. All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and get back in here. I got my water. Whew, that nigga nervous, man. Let's go. Too smooth. Looking tribal, man. Oh, man. Well, y'all, almost done. And this shit looks like everything I thought it would. I'm feeling it like a motherfucker. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. It's cold as shit in here. I probably should have wore a whole t-shirt. But yeah, I start getting weird when it's cold, man. I don't fuck just well in the cold. Probably should have wore some damn sweatpants and a hoodie. But anyway, almost done. Let's go. Gave it to me for free. I'm my dog. Ladies and gentlemen.
The fact that you're so optimistic, even though
that shit looks realistically flawed.
You are, in my opinion, you're a hero.
Yes, sir.
I really think that. And I really think that.
Stiff, cold.
Hugely important for the American citizens to understand that absolute power corrupts absolutely. And these people have everything
Yeah, all that negative thing.
that in these years.
I'm gonna put a bandage on you. You're gonna go home, take the bandage off, clean off, take a hot shower with unscented soap. Most amount of cleanliness with the least amount of friction.
Right. It probably isn't.
And tomorrow, Aquaphor, 3 times a day, super thin layers like you would hand lotion. If you're slopping it on, that's only going to harness. Thin layers of Aquaphor for the next 3 days. After that, unscented hand lotion. If it itches, clean it. And, keep friction to a minimal.
All right, y'all. We are all done, all bandaged up. And man, I'm gonna insert final result here. Man, Phil Carlucci is a fucking beast. This tattoo looks fucking fire. And I can't wait to do more work with him, man. He's gonna do my whole sleeve, my whole right arm. So cannot wait to finish this thing up. I got more videos coming for y'all. Damn, I'm looking all over the place, my bad. It's dark and I'm trying to make sure I don't crash. But yeah, I got more videos coming y'all way. Look out for a tattoo care video where I show you guys how to care for your tattoo afterwards. That's coming next. Again, man, it's your boy TJ Too Smooth Treasure One, man. I hope y'all enjoyed that. I'm feeling it though. I am feeling it. I'm gonna feel it in the morning too, boy. He went hard. But all right, y'all. Peace.
Hey, ooh, ride around city in the coupe, take flight. Tip so black, can't see shit night. And the nigga speeding on the way to the pipe. Hit me up, like pick me up, I might. Cold hearted, baby, don't get me started. 20 feet from the whip and I started. 20 deep when we get in the party. Find a bad one who wanna live with me. Hit it once and she won't get up off me. Sip a drink like I'm sipping the coffee. Kept her close, she was doing the most. A nigga left and now it's killing us softly. Run it up and run it back till you faint. Rag it up, pull it out of the bank. Reinvest and you double it.
Sheesh. When I tell y'all I'm feeling it, we're all bandaged up. Let me see y'all. Oh, we all bandaged up. I'm feeling it, boy. This shit was no joke. 6 hours. 6 hours of pure pain. 6 hours, bruh. But you know, I sat through it, got done. You know, a lot of people would do 3 hours, stop, come back another day, 3 hours. But nah, man, get this shit out the way, get it done. Go ahead and pay the man. So that's that. Phil Carlucci is a beast. Yes, sir. I hope y'all enjoyed that, man. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the tattoo. Go ahead and comment down below what you think. What else should I get? What do you think? I really want to do this whole right arm with animals, and Phil's gonna do the whole sleeve. So yep, it's your boy TJ Too Smooth Treasure One. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more, man, and I'm gonna go home and get some sleep. Again, TJ Too Smooth Treasure One. I'm about to go home and get some rest, man, some sleep. I got work in the morning. Big Tatty, Too Smooth. Peace.